Hello everyone, so this time we will going to solve problems involving piecewise function. Okay, so what do you mean by piecewise function? When we say piecewise function, from the word piece, so it made into pieces. So hindi lang isa, kundi dalawa or mas higit pa. Piecewise function or compound function is a function defined by multiple subfunctions, where each subfunction applies to a certain interval of the main function's domain. So as you can see here, we have three graphs. So that is an example of piecewise function. And then meron tayong mga conditions dito. Yun. Okay, let us have some examples. A Zumba instructor charges according to the number of participants. If there are 15 participants or below, the instructor charges 500 pesos for each participant per month. If the number of participants is between 15 and 30, he charges 400 pesos for each participant per month. If there are 30 participants or more, he charges 350 pesos for each participant per month. Write the piecewise function that describes what the instructor charges. To solve piecewise problem class, so kailangan natin intindihin yung bawat word, yung bawat sentence. We need to know the problem, we need to know what are the given, and kailangan alam nyo kung ano yung dapat gawin. And then also, you need to know what is asked. Okay? So this is an example of piecewise function because it has three conditions. Okay? So a Zumba instructor charges according to the number of participants. Okay? So let X be the number of participants. Kasi nakadepende yung ating babayaran sa number of participants. Okay? And then, let f of x be the instructor's fee. Okay? So, we have here the first condition. If there are 15 participants or below. Okay, ibig sabihin, kapag daw yung x natin is less than or equal to 15, you will going to pay 500 pesos per month. Okay? 500 pesos for each person per month. Okay? So that is f of x is equal to 500 times x if the number of participants is less than or equal to 15. Ibig sabihin, kung 15 participants and below, you will going to pay 500 pesos per month. Okay? That is per head. Per head. So, 500 times x. Okay, next condition tayo. If the number of participants is between 15 and 30. Okay, between 15 and 30. Babayad naman tayo ngayon ng 400 pesos for each participant per month. Okay? 400 x if x is greater than 15 but less than 30. So, ibig sabihin, hindi kasama si 15 at si 30. Between. Okay? And then, the third condition is, babayad naman tayo ng 350 pesos for each participant per month. Okay? 350x. If the number of participants or the number of participant is greater than 30. Is greater than or equal to 30. Okay? If there are 30 participants or more. So, ibig sabihin, hindi bababa sa 30 participants, babayad tayo ng 350 pesos per month. Okay? 350 pesos per participant per month. This is already our answer. Because we were asked to write the piecewise function that describes what the instructor charges. So, meron tayong tatlong condition dito. And then, ito yung ating babayaran per head. Babayaran ng mga participant per head per month. Okay? Next example. The regular monthly water bill of a household is 900 pesos, which includes 45 cubic meter consumption. A charge of 50 pesos per cubic meter in excess of the allowable monthly consumption. How much will be the charge for 48 cubic meter consumption? Okay, this is also an example of piecewise function. So we have conditions. F of x is equal to 900 pesos. Ito yung babayaran natin per month. Regular monthly water bill. So, ibig sabihin, regular, that is constant. 900 pesos if nag-consume tayo ng 45 cubic meter or less. Okay? 45 cubic meter or less. Kahit hindi umabot sa 45 cubic meter yung ating nagamit sa isang buwan, babayad pa rin tayo ng 900 because that is constant. That is the regular monthly water bill. Okay? Next, a charge of 50 pesos per cubic meter in excess of the allowable monthly consumption. So, ibig sabihin, dadagdag tayo ng 50 pesos sa bawat cubic meter na sobra sa allowable na monthly consumption natin, which is 45 cubic meter. Okay? Kapag lumagpas yung ating consumption dito sa 45 cubic meter, babayad tayo ngayon ng 50 pesos per cubic meter. Okay? So that means 900 plus 50 pesos times na-consume natin na tubig sa isang buwan. Okay? Minus 45. Okay? So ito yung babayaran natin. Okay? If x is greater than 45. Kapag lumagpas sa 45 cubic meter yung ating consumption in 1 month, babayad tayo ngayon ng 900 plus 50 times x minus 45. Okay, question. How much will be the charge for 48 cubic meter consumption? So, ito yung question natin. Magkano daw yung babayaran natin sa isang buwan kapag nakagamit tayo ng 48 cubic meter. Okay, so 48 is greater than 45, di ba? 48 is greater than 45. So, ibig sabihin, the second function yung ating gagamitin. So, that is f of x is equal to 900 plus 50 times x minus 45. Okay, the value of the function at 48. Okay, our x is 48 equals 900 plus 50 times, yung x natin is 48. Yung na-consume natin in 1 month, 48 cubic meter minus 45. Okay. So, f of 48. 900 plus 50 times 48 minus 45 is 3. Okay? Dito tayo sa kabila. So, f of 48 equals 900 plus 50 times 3 is equal to 150. Therefore, the value of the function at 48 is equal to 1,050 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, you will be paying 1,050 pesos per month. Okay? Next example, a vendor sells face masks for 35 pesos per piece. However, if a buyer gets more than 20 pieces, the vendor gives a discount of 5 pesos per piece for the succeeding number of masks to be bought. How much will 26 face masks cost? So, yung gagawin natin is mag-write tayo ng piecewise function. Right? So, f of x is equal to 35 times x. If the buyer gets more than, or if the buyer gets less than or equal to 20. Okay? And then, yung kanina, that is 900 or 700, kasi nga 35 times 20 is 700. Okay, 700 is our constant plus 30. Why 30? Kasi kapag bumili siya ng 20 pieces or more, meron siya ngayong discount na 5 pesos per piece. So, that is 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. 30 pesos na lang per piece. Times x minus 20. Okay. So, ito yung condition natin if x is greater than 20. Okay, how much will 26 face mask cost? So, 26 is greater than 20. So, ito siya. We will going to use the second function. Okay. Evaluate the function. Okay, f of x equals 700 plus 30 times x minus 20. Okay, f of 26 equals 700 plus 30 times 26 minus 20. Okay, f of 26 equals 700 plus 30 times 26 minus 20 is 6. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. F of 26 equals 700 plus 30 times 6 is equal to 180. So, meaning, kapag bumili yung buyer ng 26 face mask, yung babayaran niya ngayon is 880 pesos. Okay, next example. The minimum fare for a jeepney ride is 9 pesos for the first 4 kilometers. A fee of 1 peso will be added per succeeding kilometer. Construct a piecewise function for the fare and plot its graph. Alright. Pwede natin gawin to. Let x be the number of kilometers. Okay? Okay, gagawa tayo ngayon ng piecewise function. Okay, f of x is equal to, okay, balik kayo sa question. The minimum fare. So, minimum, that is constant. Babayad tayo ngayon ng 9 pesos. 9 pesos if 9 pesos yung babayaran natin kapag nag-ride tayo by jeepney for the first 4 kilometers. Okay, so that is equal to, or x is less than or equal to 4. So, kahit 2 kilometers lang yung ating nilakbay, babayad pa rin tayo ng 9 pesos. Kapag 3 kilometers, babayad pa rin ng 9 pesos kasi nga minimum. That is the minimum fare. That is constant. Okay. Next. A fee of 1 peso will be added per succeeding kilometer. So, babayad tayo ngayon ng 1 peso. Kapag lumagpas sa 4 kilometers yung ating nilakbay. Okay? So, 9 plus 1 times x minus 4 if x is greater than 4. Okay? So, construct a piecewise function for the pair. So, ito na yung piecewise function natin. And plot its graph. Okay. Kapag yung x natin is 4, yung babayaran natin ay 9 pesos. Kapag yung x natin is 3, yung babayaran natin ay 9 pesos pa rin. Kapag yung x natin ay 2, yung babayaran natin is 9 pesos. Okay. Kapag yung x natin is 1, ito, yung babayaran natin is 9 pesos pa rin. Okay? 9 pesos pa rin. That is constant. Ibig sabihin, yung x value natin is 4, yung y value is 9. X is 3, y is 9, x is 2, y is 9, x is 1, y is 9. Okay, let us construct an xy plane para makita natin yung graph. So, this is y-axis, x-axis. Okay, and then label. I-plot muna natin yung f of x equals 9 if x is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so 4, 4, 9. Ito siya. 3, 9. Okay, dito pa rin. 3, 9, 2, 9, 1, 9. And then, open circle dito. Okay, ibig sabihin, yung 0, 9 is hindi kasali sa ating solution. Okay? Okay, next. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Or pwede natin ito ma-simplify. Okay? So, f of x equals 9 plus 1 times x is x, 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Okay, equals 9, or x, 9 minus 4 is 5. So, plus 5. Okay. Substitute lang natin yung value ng x. Okay. So, ito yung x. And then, the y values. Yun. If x is greater than 4, so ano yung mga number na greater than 4? Those are 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. Kapag daw yung x natin is 5, so papalitan lang natin yung x ng 5. Okay, pag yung x natin is 5, so 5 plus 5, that is 10. Okay, so yung y natin is 10. Kapag yung x natin is equal to 6, okay, so this is 6 plus 5, meaning the value of the function at 6 is 11. Okay, and then kapag yung x natin is 7, if x is 7, then the value is equal to 12. Okay? So, meron tayong pattern 10, 11, 12. Ibig sabihin, ito is 13. Okay? I-plot natin. 5, 10. Okay, 5, 10. Ayun, dito siya. Then 610, 610, or 611. 611. Then we have 712 and 813. Okay. So that is the graph of this function. Okay. And that is all about this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to think positive.